This is Surekha. Welcome to the channel eQuest. Now the concept is percentages. Part 10. This is related to votes, elections. Okay. This part 10 is based on votes. This is very important concept when you prepare for SSC, CGL, bank POs, for placements, interviews, etc. Okay. Do concentrate on this concept. This is very important concept. In this concept, questions are like, in an election, there are two candidates contested. One candidate got some percentage of votes and he is defeated by other candidate. Then find out the total number of votes in that election. Another type is, in an election, there are two candidates contested. There are some invalid votes and first candidate got some percentage of valid votes. Then find out the total number of valid votes in that election. Okay, these are most important questions related to percentages. Now, first question in percentages based on votes. In an election, there are only two candidates. The candidate who got 60% of votes polled is elected by a majority of 14,000 votes. Find the total number of votes. This is the question. First read the question, then understand the question. This is very important in this concept. What is the question? In an election, there are only two candidates contested. The candidate who got 60% of votes polled. For this example, I want to take a total number of votes are 100. Okay. You can take 100% also. Anything. Either 100% or 100. But I want to take 100 is the base value. That means total number of votes are 100. In this 100 votes, first candidate got 60% of votes. Suppose here candidate A and here candidate B. A got 60% of this 100. What is the value? 60. Okay. B got how many votes? Remaining votes. 60 votes are for A and remaining 40 votes are for B. Okay. Next one is 60% of votes polled is elected by a majority of 40,000 votes. By a majority. This is very important word in this example. By a majority means the difference in between these two candidates, that is 14,000. So here the difference in between these two A and B is 14,000. Okay. See what is the difference? 60 minus 40. Difference is 20. Here 20 equal to 14,000. And base value, total number of votes are 100. In the question, find the total number of votes. So, find out the corresponding value of this 100. Then cross multiply. Or see, 20, here 14,000. Here 20 into 7. What is the result? 140. Extra 2 zeros. Here also into 7. What is the result? 700. You have to put 2 extra zeros. A result is 70,000. Okay. This is very important concept. Remember that first of all, take the initial value or total number of votes are either 100% or 100. 100%, 60% of votes are for A. So 60. And remaining 40 votes are for B. The difference in these two is 14,000. So 20 is 14,000, then 100 is what? 70,000. Let us move to next question. Now see the second question. Two candidates contested in an election. The candidate who got 45% of votes was defeated by 321 votes. In the first question, by a majority of, because the first person got 60% of votes, the second person 40%. That's why the word is by a majority of. But in the second question, 45% of votes was defeated by 321 votes. That means the first candidate got 45%, second candidate 55%. So the word defeated by, this is important word, defeated by 321 votes. Find the total number of votes polled if no votes were invalid. Means 100% votes are valid votes. See, first of all, take total number of votes are 100. First candidate got 45% of 100. All are valid votes. So 45% of 100 means 45. Remaining 45 and remaining. That means 100 minus 45. Remaining are 55. See, total 100. Okay. Here defeated by how many votes? 321 votes. Means the difference in between these two is 321. What is the difference? 10. So 10 corresponding value is 321. We have to find out the total number of votes. Means 100. 100 corresponding value is what? Here 10 corresponding value is 321. 100 corresponding value is 3210. Okay. No need to take a pen and paper to solve this example. Very simple. 45% of votes first candidate. Remaining percentage 55%. Difference is 10%. So 10% corresponding value is 321. Then 100% is what? Simply place a 0 after that number. That is 3210. Okay. Next question. In an election, there are only 3 contestants, A, B and C. A secured 20% of the votes and B secured 70% of remaining votes. Remaining votes. And if C secured 4,800 votes, by how many votes has the winner won the election? Very important question. In an election, there are only 3 contestants A, B and C. Initially, take total number of votes are 100. There are 3 members A, B and C. A secured 20% of votes. 20%. A secured 20% of total votes. What is the value? 20. What are the remaining votes? 80. No need to write 80%. Okay. Directly see 100 minus 20, remaining votes are 80. Here B secured 70% of the remaining votes. 70% of the remaining means 80 and 70% of the remaining votes. Who got? B. B got 70% of remaining votes. So calculate percentage and 0 gets cancelled. Then 8 sevens. What is the value? 56. Now what are the remaining votes? 80 minus 56. 80 minus 50, 30. 30 minus 6, 24. Okay, 24. How we get this 24? 80 minus 56. 80 minus 56 is 24. See the question. If C secured 4,800 votes, A, B, here this 24 votes are for C. If C secured 4,800 votes, that means here 24 corresponding value is 4,800. It is given in the question. By how many votes has the winner won the election? Who is the winner? See, A got 20 and B got 56 and C got 24. We know the corresponding value 4,800. Corresponding value of C. Okay, by how many votes B get elected? Okay, here see, by how many votes has the winner won the election? Comparison of C and B by how many votes? Means take the difference in between these two, 56 and 24. What is the difference? 56 minus 24. What is the difference? 32. Okay, difference is 32. Here 4800 is corresponding value of 24. Then we have to find out the corresponding value of 32. See, 24 corresponding value is 4800 and 32 corresponding value is what? Here 24 into 2 means 48. Extra 2 zeros. Here 32 into 2 means what is the result? 64. Put 2 zeros. So result is 6400. Okay. B elected in this election by a majority of 6400 votes when compared to C. Now next question. Now the questions related to valid and invalid votes. Important concept. See, in an election between two candidates A and B, the number of valid votes received by A exceeds those received by B. Means the difference in between A and B is 15% of the total number of votes polled. If 20% of the votes polled were invalid and a total of 8720 votes were polled. In the question, they have given the total number of votes. Those are 8720. Then how many valid votes did B get? That is the question. Please read the question carefully, then understand the question, try to solve. Now see. In the question, there are total number of votes 8720. I don't want to take that number. Initially, I want to take a total number of votes are 100 only. For easy calculation, 100. In an election between two candidates, how many candidates? Two candidates. The number of valid votes received by A exceeds those received by B by 15% of the total number of votes polled. And see next one. If 20% of votes were invalid, these are total number of votes. 20% of votes were invalid. See, 20% of votes means 20. These are invalid votes. Okay, invalid votes. What are the remaining votes? 80 means 20 plus 80 is 100. Okay, 80 are the valid words. Valid. Now see, valid votes received by A exceeds those received by B by 15% of the total number of votes. Here A and here B. The difference in between these two is 15% of total number of votes, 100. So here the difference in between these two is 15% of total number of votes are 100. What is the result? 15% of 100 means a percentage and this 100 gets cancelled. So value is 15. From this chart, here A and B, A plus B is 80. And here difference A minus B is 15. Now see, write expressions A plus B equal to 80 and A minus B equal to 15. But see the question. How many valid votes did B get? We have to find out the valid votes got by B, candidate B. So, cancel A's, minus, here plus, here minus. So A gets cancelled and B plus B, 2B equal to how much? 65. That implies B equal to 65 by 2. 65 by 2. This is the value. But we have to find out the corresponding value of this fraction. Okay. In the question, there are total number of words. How much? 8720. Means here 100 corresponding value is 8720. We have to find out the corresponding value of 65 by 2. Okay. Now see. 100 corresponding value is 8720. Then 65 by 2 corresponding value is what? Cross multiply. 8720 into 65 by 2 by 100. Now cancel. 0, 0 cancelled. And here 5 cancelled 2 times. And here 13 times. Then here 2 gets cancelled. 4 and 3, 6. And again this 2 cancelled. How many times? 2, 1 and 8. 2, 1, 8 into 13. What is the result? 2, 1, 8 into 13. Now see. 2, 1, 8 into 13. Split and merge. Means I want to split this 13, 10 plus 3 for easy calculation. So here 2180 and 2180 into 3. Then add those two for easy calculation. 8 3s 24. 2 carry forward. 3 plus 2 5. 3 into 2 6. 4 8 plus 5 3. 1 carry forward. 7 8 and 2. 2 8 3 4 is the answer. Okay. We got how many words? 2834 out of 8720 words. Okay. Now let us move to the next one. It's a very important question. In an election between two candidates, the first candidate gets 80% of the total valid words. Valid words means there are some invalid words. If 10% words are invalid among 1,80,000 words. See, total number of words are 1,80,000. In those words, 10% are invalid. Then how many words were casted in favor of another candidate? One candidate or first candidate gets how many words? 80% of valid words. So first of all, take total number of words are 100. And 10% of words are invalid. 10% invalid. What is the 10% of 100? 10. What is the value remaining? 90. So 90 words are valid words. You can take in the place of 100, 100%. If you take 100%, then directly write a 10% here, directly write 90% here. Then calculate like that. But here, value is 100, then 10% of 100 is a 10, and remaining words are 90. 90 are valid words. And here, first candidate gets 80% of the total valid words. Total valid words are 90. First candidate gets 80% of this. 80% of this. Okay, candidate 1 or first candidate or A and B. Take anything. Candidate 1 gets 80% of total valid words. Those are 90. Now calculate 0, 0 and percentage cancelled. 8 9s 72. So remaining words 90 minus 72. What is the remaining? 80. 18. Okay, 1 8. 90 minus 72 is 18. These 18 words are got by candidate 2. Okay. Now, what is the question? How many words were casted in favor of another candidate? Okay, another candidate. Now, what is the total number of votes? What is the total? 100 corresponding value is 1,80,000 is given. Now, we have to find out the corresponding value of candidate 2, that is 18. Now, see, 100 corresponding value is 1,80,000. Then 18 corresponding value is what? Now, see, 0, 0, 0, 0 gets cancelled. Otherwise, cross multiply 18 into 1,80,000 by 100. After that, cancel zeros. Then see here, 18 into 18 into 100. What is the result? 18 square, that is 324. After that, 2 zeros. Okay, this is the answer. 32,400. Okay. Next question. This question is very important. Up to here, I have taken the initial value or total number of words are 100. But for this question, I want to take initial value or total number of votes are X. Why? Because see the question, in an election between two candidates, 75% of the voters cast their votes, out of which 2% votes were declared invalid. Out of which, see the word out of which. If you read the word out of which in any question, take the initial value is X. That is very easy to calculate. You can take 100 or 100%. But if you take X, that method is very easy. You can solve within seconds. Otherwise, those methods take some time. See, out of which 2% votes were declared invalid. A candidate got 9261 votes, which were 75% of the valid votes. The total number of votes enrolled in that election was. We have to find out the total number of votes. We don't know total number of votes. That's why here take X. Okay, you can take 100 or 100% also. But in the question there is a word out of which. If you have that word, take the initial value is X. Okay. Now see, 75% of the words cast their votes. 75% of this X. Out of which 2% words are declared invalid. Out of which 2% words are invalid words. Okay. What are the remaining words? 2% invalid. The remaining 98% of words are valid words. Okay. Don't write 73% here. Because this is a percentage out of which 2% words are invalid. Okay, remaining 98% are valid. Add these two, we get 100%. 75% into 100% means 1. Then we get 75% only. Okay, remember this. Don't take 73% here. Invalid words are 2%, remaining are 98% are valid words. A candidate got 9,261 words, 9,261 words, which were 75% of the valid words. These are valid words. 75% of valid words are equal to 9,261. Okay. These are the details given in the question. Then we have to find out the total number of votes enrolled in that election was. Enrolled votes. Okay, not valid votes. Enrolled votes. That means we have to find out the value of x. Now see, x into, what is the percentage? 75%. 75 by 100 into, in this 75% valid votes are 98%. No need to take this invalid part. Okay, valid 98%. So 98 by 100 into, in this 98% is 75% equal to 9261. So 75 by 100 equal to 9261. Now solve this, then we get find out the x value. Now see, 325s, 425s. Here also 325s and 425s. Now these 3 cancelled in 9261. How many times? 3 times. And 0, 26. 8 times, 21, 7 times. Again 3 cancelled in this. 1 time, 0, 2 times and 27, 9 times. Now write this expression. X is equal to, what is the value? 1029. Okay, 1029 into here 4, here 100 into again 4 divided by, what is the numerator value? 98. Okay, here numerator value is 98. That is placed after equal to, then it is placed at the denominator. Now calculate. 7 gets cancelled 1 time and 4 time. Here 1 time and 32, 4 times, 28 and 49. 7 sevens of 49. Again 7 cancelled, 14, 2 times, and here 2 times and 1 time, 21. This 2 cancelled 2 times here. Now 21 into 800. Okay, x is equal to 21 into 800. That equal to 8 and 1600. Okay, 16,800 is the result. Total votes are 16,800. Okay. Do practice more and more examples on this concept votes. This is very important concept for all competitive exams. If you learn anything from this video, please do subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.